The Royal Picture Alphabet by John Layton. A Project Gutenberg original. Ablution. The act of cleansing. The little sweep has washed his face, but not as we advise. For black as soot he's made the soap, and rubbed it in his eyes. Barter, exchange. Here's Master Mac presenting fruit, of which he makes display. He knows he'll soon have Lucy's rope, and with it skip away. Catastrophe, a final unhappy event. "Oh, here's a sad catastrophe," was Mrs. Blossom's cry. Then, "Water, water, bring to me, or all my fish will die." Delightful, pleasant, charming. These boys are bathing in the stream when they should be at school, the master's coming round to see who disregards his rule. Eccentricity, irregularity, strangeness. We often see things seeming stranger, but scarce so strange as this. Here everything is misapplied, here every change amiss. Fraud, deceit, trick, cheat. Here is Pat Murphy, fast asleep, and there is Neddy Bray. The thief a watchful eye doth keep until he gets away. Genius, mental power, faculty. A little boy with little slate may sometimes make more clear the little thoughts that he would state than can by words appear. Horror, terror, dread. This little harmless speckled frog seems Lady Townsend's dread. I fear she'll run away and cry and hide her silly head. Ichabod at the jam, a Christian name. Fruit conservation. Enough is good, excess is bad. Yet Ichabod, you see, will with the jam his stomach cram until they disagree. Knowing, conscious, intelligent. Though horses know both beans and corn and snuff them in the wind, they also all know Jemmy Small and what he holds behind. Lucky, fortunate, happy by chance. We must admire, in Lovebook's case, the prompt decision made, as he could not have gained the wood if time had been delayed. Mimic, imitative, burlesque. The gentleman who struts so fine, unconscious seems to be of imitation by the boy who has the street door key. Negligence, heedlessness, carelessness. The character Tom Slowboy bears would much against him tell for any work that's wanted done, or even play done well. Obstinacy, stubbornness, waywardness. The obstinacy of the pig is nature, as you see, but boys and girls who have a mind should never stubborn be. Pets, favorites, spoilt fondlings. Some people say that Auntie Grey to animals is kind. We think instead they are overfed and kept too much confined. Quandary, a doubt, a difficulty. Dame Partlet's in difficulty and looks around with doubt. Let's hope, as she some way got in, she may some way get out. Rivalry, competition, emulation. In every competition prize, this should be kept in view. Whoever wins should be the one who does deserve it too. Sluggard, an inactive, lazy fellow. To lie so many hours in bed, you surely must be ill, and need some physic, Master Ned, as birch, or draught, or pill. Topsy-turvy, upside down, bottom top. Here's topsy-turvy, upside down, the ceiling seems the base, reverse the ground and 'twill be found, the things are out of place. Uncommon vegetation, rare growth. The uncommon vegetation here, with art has much to do. The trees are nature, but the fruit uncommon and untrue. Wonder, admiration, astonishment. The wise may live and wonder still, however much they know, but simple Giles has wonder found within the penny show. Xantippe, wife of Socrates. Here's Socrates and Xantippe, philosopher and wife. For gentleness renowned was he, she better known for strife. Yearn, to grieve, to vex. Oh, here's a sad catastrophe, was Mrs. Blossom's cry. Then, water, water, bring to me, or all my fish will die. Zany, a buffoon, a merry Andrew. Here's Zanny reading in a book, with heels above his head, and judging by his laughing look, finds fun in what he's read. The end.